Hey guys, it's David with Great Choice Audio Video, and today we have some really cool KEF T301 speakers. We've been a KEF dealer for over 11 years now, and we love KEF. There's a wide range of speakers that they have that we use for just a 2-channel stereo setup, for house-wide audio, home theater. So there are tons of different types of speakers that we use. But today I want to show you guys the T301s. And what's cool about these speakers is they can be used as just a pair. They have a matching center channel that could be mounted horizontal underneath the screen. So in a big projector type setup with a theater with a big screen, you can do all of them across the center underneath the monitor or the screen, or one on the left, one on the right, one underneath. So let me show you real fast. Now the nice thing about these is the size. So if you don't want an in-wall speaker, and you don't want a big box style speaker, big bookshelf, big floor standing, but you still want great sound, right here, the KEF T301s, as you can see, very slick. The bottom here, you got the KEF logo. Now this would be the left or the right. These mount vertically because the logo is at the bottom right here. Now on the center channel, and I'll show you that in a second, when you turn it, the logo will be orientated differently. So anyway, so what's nice about these is they come in gloss black, and the only part that's really glossy is the outside edges and then here at the bottom. So real nice fit and finish. For modern homes or just nice and clean finishes, these look phenomenal. There's a lot of times that we'll just mount a left and right on either side of the TV, and that's it, and then just a nice little setup. So the nice thing also about these is, see how thin they are? They're only about 1.25 inches. Super thin, so they're made to mount right on the wall, not stick out, not look all clunky. Matter of fact, you can see that right there, guys, right behind. The wires go inside this little cavity there. See that? And there's these two little set screws, and they hold it in. So when you come out of the wall into the back of the speaker, you don't see anything. And so on the back, you got these holes. As a matter of fact, it comes with its own bracket. So you can mount that bracket, and it just snaps right in place. So it's flush against the wall. Really nice, clean fit and finish. So again, these come in gloss black and gloss white. So as a matter of fact, in the video, we'll put a couple of pictures of ones we've done in black and white to show you around a TV that we've done, or around a big screen for projection, for a theater room, that kind of thing. So super nice. As far as width, not super wide. So we got 5.5 inches wide, and we're 23.5 inches tall. So not super huge, but very elegant. And I tell you what, the sound is incredible. It's, like I said, if you don't want an in-wall speaker, and you don't want something big box style speaker sitting somewhere, this is good. This is a great solution, guys. Incredible sound. And then matched with other KEF speakers for, if it's surround sound for the ceiling and rears, phenomenal. So let me show you real quick the center channel, and same gloss finish, but like I said earlier, that the orientation of the logo is a little bit different, so it looks right when it's mounted. So see now, mounted horizontal, and the logo is right here on the side, and it's facing the correct direction. So let's say you're doing a big screen, 120-inch projection screen, and there's really no room on the left and right of the screen because you went so big, and there's not enough space. So this is a great solution. So you would just do 3 of these mounted underneath horizontal, and that way the logo is going the same direction. Nice, clean fit and finish. Matter of fact, I'll try to also link or show a video or a picture of our showroom where we have that set up. We've done that several times on clients' homes as well. So moderately priced speaker, great sound for the money. You know, just a nice another KEF product, KEF solution for you guys. Want to show that to you. If you got any suggestions or any questions about these speakers or any other KEF speakers, please leave those in the comments down below. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our channel. Like it. It really helps us out, guys. We're trying to make these better and better each week and keep them coming. So until next time, we'll see you guys. Thanks.